first quarter.
First possession, Samaldean, Mendoza on the ball. Pass to Xiang. Xiang now. Pass to Traha. Attempts for three. One go. Rebounded by Reyes. Reyes now. Pass to Ben. Ben is dribbling. Ingat-ingat lang tayo. Pass to Kato. Kato drives in. Lays up. One go. Rebounded by Kato. Ay Kato pa rin. 10 seconds shot clock. And there's no whistle. Reyes na labas. Nakaharap ng mapapagdaan. Nakita si Kato. Kato pass to Reyes. Fouls. First 2 points on Reyes. And the first 2 points for the Lens 2. Xiang now on the ball. 9 minutes and 20 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Pass to Kizan. Kiris pala. Pass to Espinelli. Espinelli 2 points. First 2 points for Espinelli and the first 2 points for the whole team. Vince now using the ball. Challenging Mendoza. Attempts for three. One go. Rebound by Kato. Pass. One go. Follows up. Nakuha ni Mendoza ang bola. Mendoza now dribbling, driving in, and there's so much. Espinelli. Mendoza. Mendoza now asked by Vince. Back to Espinelli. Espinelli. Muntik mawala. It's same ball. 8 minutes to 1 seconds remaining. Kandil kang. Espinelli now. Score pa natin. Deadlock sa dos. Espinelli. Back to Kiros. Kiros now. Pinasa ka Mendoza. Mendoza. Run. Back to Kiros. Foul. One go. Rebound Kato. Kato now. Pass to Ben. 8 minutes remaining for the first quarter. Ben. Back to Dalmasio. Dalmasio. And the whistle is the traveling violation. Pass to Mendoza. Mendoza now. He's dribbling. Mendoza looking for receiver. Pass to Kiros. Kiros to Traha. For three. Traha. 3 points. First 3 points of Traha. Vince now. Vince. Driving in. Pass. One go. Rebound to die. Tulipan now. Pass to Kato. Kato nakalusot. Pass. Huli ka balkon. It's 10 ball clock. 10 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Vince looking for receiver. Pass to Dalmasio. Attempts for three. One go. Rebound Kiros. Kiros. Pass to Mendoza. Habol. Lays up. One go. Rebound to by Vince. Vince now. Pass to Dahan. Dahan. Tumakla siya. Sabay tira. 2 points para kay Dahan. Mendoza now. Pass to Kiros. Score natin. 5, 4. 1 point lead. Xiang for 3. And there's a foul. First foul on Kato in the second team foul. First throw on Xiang. 1 go. Second free throw. May dalawa pa. There go, pasok. 1 out of 2. Jumpers ready for the final throw. Jumpers ready. Pasok. Ben now. Ben. Dribbling. Attempts for three. One go. Rebounded by Traha. Traha to Mendoza. Mendoza pinasa kay Kiros. Pinalik. Intercepted pero nawala mo. Espinelli. Back to Mendoza. Back to Espinelli. Nakalusot. Reverse shot by Espinelli. Making it for 2 points. A score. 9-4. 5-point leader by both teams. 6 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. For the first quarter, Benz looking for receiver. Pinasa kay Tulipan. Harap to by Traha. Pasok Kato. Jump shot. One go. Rebound Traha. Traha now. Looking for receiver. Pass Mendoza. Last 6 minutes remaining. Nice goal. 9-4 pa rin. Mendoza. Pass to Xiang. Xiang. Harap to by Dalmasio. Pass to Espinelli. Driving in. Masyadong mataas. Kaibigan. Benz now. Benz. Easy dribbling. Nakalusot. Lumabas si Bob. Sinasakay Kato. Nakuha pa rin Tulipan. Tulipan. Rampas puntahan. Fake foul. 2 points to Maidan. 5 minutes and 30 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Ang score po natin. 9-6. 3 points later by small team. Toraha. Dribbling. 10 seconds remaining on the shot clock. 1 goal. And the social. Hook foul. Second personal foul on Tulipan. First row jump. Pasok. Jumpers Ray for the final throw there by Sham. Pasok pa rin. Natandag sa net. Benz now. Dribbling. Benz. Setting the play. Pinasa sa loob pero may pito. Tumakas. Kato sa labas. Naghanap. Nakita si Dalmasio. Attempt for 3. Dalmasio. 3 points. Haribas now. Dribbling the ball. Haribas. Sasagasa. Pinasa kay Toraha. Toraha. Pinalik kay Haribas. Haribas. Muntik mawala. 20 seconds shot lang. Pasto siya. Siyang now, long receiver. 10 seconds remaining for the shot clock. 5 seconds remaining on the shot clock. 1 goal. Rebound Kato. Kato now. Pasto Reyes. Reyes, pinasakay Dahan. Dahan to Dalmasio. Nawala ang bola. Nawala ang Espinelli. Ayan na si Espinelli. Pagsawa ng Reyes. Diretso. Lays up. 1 goal. Rebound to by Benz. Benz. Pass by Dahan. Dahan. It's the count of the ball. 4 minutes and 17 seconds remaining for the first quarter. One goal. Rebounder by. Save ball tayo. Save ball. Reyes sa labas. Naghahanap. Nakita si Benz. Benz now. 15 seconds shot clock. Benz driving in. Pinasakay Dahan. 1 goal. Follows up for Reyes. 2 points for Reyes. 4 minutes remaining for the first quarter. Score! Case favor na tayo. Labang na ng dalawa ang Let's do 11-13. Toraha, look receiver. 10 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Third over tayo. Palit lang. Score 11-13 in favor of Let's do. Benz now. Nagipagsayawan. Johnson and fouls. 1 goal. Rebound Espinelli. Espinelli now. Espinelli ang mamadaling challenge sa harap ng whistle. Ikakagayang sa free throw line. First throw is an air ball. Lakas ang bukonte kaibigan. Jumper Suarez. Nilakasan niya. Rebound Reyes. Pass break. Saktong-sakto. Dahan. Tatlo laban na isa. 1 goal. Rebounder by Marcelo pass. 2 points to by Marcelo. Toraha. Toraha now. 3 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Score 15-11. Lumolobo ang kalamangan ng Lens 2. 4 na. Toraha. Challenging Dahan. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Toraha now. Toraha. Drives in. Nakuha ni Reyes. Reyes pass to Benz. Benz now. Benz. Harap ko ba siya? Nakalusot. Lesa na Jumper Suwene for the bonus throw. What go? Rebound by Sham. Pasto Haribas. Haribas now. Pasto De Guzman. De Guzman. De Guzman. Driving in. Pinasa pero save ball pa rin. Toraha. Looking receiver. Pass to Espinelli. Espinelli attempts for 3. One go! Rebound by Dalmasio. Dalmasio to Reyes. Reyes, pass to Vince. Vince now. Challenge siya. Vince, stop. Dalsin, pero muntik mawala. Logo receiver. Pass to Dalmasio. 10 seconds of the shot clock. One go! Rebound by Guzman. De Guzman now. De Guzman, natuntutan sa kanya pa rin. Pinasa kay Haribas. Haribas to Espinali. And let's do the ball. Goodbye. Let's do. Last 2 minutes remaining in the first quarter. Vince, pass to Reyes. Reyes, pass, one go. Rebound Haribas. Haribas now. For 3, one go. Rebound Dalmasio. Dalmasio now. Back to Vince. 1 minute and 35 seconds remaining on the first quarter. Back to Ochoa. Ochoa for 2 more. Torahan now. Lumuloba na ang kalamangan. Ang score pa natin. 19-11. Walo na ang kalamangan ng Lens 2. Espinelli now. 10 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Haribas pass. 2 points scored by Haribas. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining. Pass to Marcelo. Marcelo drives in. Intercepted by Siam. Ayan na si Siam sa kasa pero may pito. First goal. Pasok. Jumper is ready for the final throw. Pasok pa rin. Almost perfect ang kanyang free throw. Vince now. Dribbling the ball. 50 seconds remaining. 40 seconds remaining shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Dalmasio. 5, 1 go. Rebound to Guzman. 40 seconds remaining. De Guzman now. Dribbling the ball. De Guzman looking for receiver. Nasunod ang defense. Ben solong-solo. Lays up 2 points by Ben. 22 seconds remaining. 20 seconds remaining. For 3, 1 go. And there's the whistle. Wala. Let's go to ball. 30 seconds. 10 seconds remaining. For 3, 1 go. 5 seconds. Haribas. Pass to Quiros. Quiros to De Guzman. De Guzman drives in, lays up, 1 go, rebounded by Marcelo. Marcelo now. Harap by De Guzman, pass to Reyes. Reyes, pass to Doritan. Pass to Dahan, lays up, 1 go. Rebounded by Doritan. Pass to Ochoa. Ochoa, sa kanya pa rin ang bola. 2 balls, scored by Marcelo. De Guzman now. Goes on for 3. 1 go. Rebound Quiros. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Reyes. Pass to Doritan. Doritan now. Doritan nawala. Nakuha ni Quiros. Quiros lays up. 2 points by Quiros. Doritan. Pass to Dahan. Dahan now. Dahan. Pass to Doritan. Doritan. Pass to Marcelo. 10 seconds left. Back to Marcelo. Attempt for 3. Marcelo. De Guzman now. 8 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. For the second quarter. De Guzman. Pass to Toraha. Toraha now. Harap to by Doritan. Tora, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to De Guzman. De Guzman, 5 seconds shot clock. Same ball tayo. 2 seconds shot clock. 2 seconds shot clock. Substitution. 2 seconds. Nawala. Ayan na sa Chon. Mamatalis na ng solo. Lays up 2 points. Turbine. Shot clock yung kanina. And a loose ball. Sianglaw. Pass to Gosum. Gosum now. Lapit konti. Sabay tira. 1 goal. Rebound Marcelo. Marcelo. Intercepted by Quiros. Quiros. Dire-diretso. Lays up 2 points. There by Quiros. I score 11. 19-28. Siyam ang kalamangan ng Lens 2. Dahan. Pass to Marcelo. Marcelo now. Harap by Siyam. Marcelo, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Marcelo, pass to Dorotan. 5 seconds shot clock. Marcelo, 5 for 3. Pinasa kay Siyam. Siyam now, 5 for 3. 1 goal, rebound to by Reyes. Reyes now, nawala ang bola. Pinasa, kahit iyon lang. Siyam sa labas. Pass to Quiros. Quiros. Pass to Traha. 5 for 3. 1 goal. Rebound by Quiros. And there's the whistle. Power. Seconds remaining. First goal, Quiros. Pasok. Jumpers ready for the final goal by Quiros. 1 goal. Rebound by Benz. Benz down. Benz, dribbling, pass to Dahan, Dahan, challenge. Gosum, ayaw pa rin po, there's no whistle. It's a traveling violation. 40 seconds remaining. Score pa natin. 20-28. Mendoza, pass to Kulit. Quiros, lays up, 1 goal, rebound to May. Nakuha ni Gosum, Quiros, puktos ang naitala ng Gosum. Benz down, namamadali, ayan na. Benz, and there's the whistle. Black foul on number 13, and that is Siyam. Substitution. Score, 22-28. Nakanakaw play ang Lens 2. Mendoza now. Back to Siyam, back to Mendoza, Mendoza to Gosum, attempt for 3. 1 goal, rebound Kato. Kato to Benz. 5 minutes and 50 seconds remaining for the second quarter. Score, 22-30. Walo ang kalamangan ng Lens 2. Benz, 5. 2 points to by Benz. 10 na ang kalamangan ng Lens 2. Score, 22-32. Back to Traha, attempt for 3. Traha, 3 points. Benz now. Benz, attempt for 3, babawi. Wala. Rebound Traha. Traha now. Pass to Quiros. Quiros is the dribbling. Pass to Mendoza. Mendoza driving in. 5 points. Benz now. Benz dribbling. Pass to Dahan. Nakuhanan. Dito Raha. And there's the whistle. Palam. Dahan. Quiros now. Back to Mendoza. Mendoza. Sending the play. Challenging Benz. Mendoza now. Looking for Sibos. Nasimputan. Ayan na. Nakuhanan ni Dahan. Dahan to Benz. Lays up 2 points. Score by Espinali. Espinali now. Back Pass to Mendoza. Mendoza to Toraha. Isa pa. Toraha. 3 points. Bang, bang, bang. Sabi na nila. Vance now. Vance. Tinasa kay Tulipan. Muntik mawala. Kay Dahan. 10 seconds shot clock. Pass for 3. It's an airball. Rebound shot to 1 go. Rebound by Tulipan. Tulipan huli ka pero may tiro na tayo. First go. 1 go. Jumpers ready for the final throw. Jumpers ready for the final throw. Pasok, substitution set. Shout out. Haribas coming in. Shoshia. 3 minutes and 50 seconds remaining for the second quarter. Mendoza on the ball. Pass to Espinali. Espinali back to Mendoza. Mendoza now. 10 seconds shot clock. Pass to Haribas. Attempt for 3. Haribas. 2 points only. Dalawa lang. 2 points on Haribas. Vance, pass to Dahan. Dahan ulit. Umaatake pero nakuhaan ni Kiros. Kiros now. Dire-diretso. Pass to Mendoza. Mendoza atras konti. Pass to Dalmaso pero intercepted by Espinali. Nakuhanin ka to. Kakanaw. Pass to Tulipan. Tulipan. Looking for the swimmer. Pass to Dahan. Dahan daw sa whistle. Dalmaso. Pass to Tulipan. Jump shot. 2 points. By Dalmaso at Tulipan. Nakannakaw play na naman ang Lens 2. 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining for the second quarter. Score po natin. 32-37. Haribas, nag-aalangan, tumira, wala, rebound Dalmaso. Pass to Bentao, pinasa kay Dahan. Dahan, lumusok, tumira, 2 puntos ang naitala. Kiros on the ball. Kiros, pass to Toraha. Toraha finds for 3. 1 goal. Rebound to Bentao. Willing into the whistle. Ingat-ingat lang tayo. Kato. Pass to Tulipan. Tulipan now. Pass to Reyes. Reyes. Pass to Vance. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pass for 3. 1 goal. Rebound to Dahan. Dahan takes back to the whistle. Foul, counted up. Jumpers ready for the final throw. Jumpers ready. One goal. Rebound to Espinali. It's line ball. Okay, back to Lens 2. Ayan na, nabasa na. Tulipan, pass to Dahan. Dahan, pass to Marcelo. For 3. Marcelo. 3 points. 1 minute and 45 seconds remaining. Kiros now on the ball. Pass to Mendoza. Mendoza now. Pass to Kiros. Kiros to Haribas. Haribas, kumagasa. Nawala ang bola. Nakuha ni Vance now. Ayan na si Vance. Nagmamadali. Pinasa kay Marcelo. 1 goal. Rebound to by Dahan. Dahan. Super. To by Dahan. Kiros. Kiros now. Replaying. Pass to Toraha. Toraha now. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining. Toraha. Drowning in. Nakagawan ni Vance. Pinasa kay Dahan. Number 16. That is na ang kalamangan ng Lens 2. Jumpers. Ay. Rando pa rin. Wala pa rin. Bentao. Pagsudahan. Dahan to Reyes. 2 points for by Reyes. Simple lang. 15 seconds remaining on the second quarter. Pass to Mendoza. Mendoza, tumira sa tres. Wala. Rebound by Reyes. Reyes, pass break. Nakuha ni Torahan bola. Torahan. Louis Bolsiver. Pass to Mendoza. Mendoza, pass to Haribas. Haribas attempts for three. Haribas, 3 points. 25 seconds remaining. 3 seconds difference tayo sa shot clock. 3 seconds difference. 15 seconds shot clock. 17 seconds remaining. 10 seconds shot clock. 1 goal from Kirus. 10 seconds remaining. Spinelli, 1 goal. 5 seconds remaining. End of third quarter. Doritan sa labas. Louis Bolsiver, pass to Vince. Vince now, setting the play. 10 seconds shot clock. Vince now, drives in, pinasa kay Dalmaso. Attempts for 3. 1 goal. Rebound to by. Kanino ball na rep? It's Moltz ball. De Guzman. De Guzman ang bola. De Guzman now, pinasa kay Gosum. Gosum, lapit konti, pinasa kay Xiao, pero nakuha ni Vince. Ayan na si Vince, nagmamadali, umaragasa, pero may pito tayo, planang foul. Reyes, pass to Vince. Vince now. Vince, pass, 1 goal. Rebound to Ochoa. Ochoa, pass to Vince. Vince, alley-oop. Nice assist by Vince to Reyes, making it for 2 points. Kirus now on the ball. 8 minutes remaining on the third quarter. De Guzman, drives in, lays up, 1 goal. Rebounder by De Guzman. De Guzman pa rin ang bola. Nakakaw ni Vince na ang bola. Ayan na, pinasa kay Ochoa. Ochoa. Ipa ng mabilis. Score 51-35. Kirus lays up. 2 points by Kirus. Pass break to Ochoa. Ayan na, nakalaw ni Kirus. Ayan na si Kirus. Atake ulit. Nakuha ni Reyes. Reyes to Vince. Ayan na naman si Vince. 2 points by Vince. Ganda. Iba mga mabilis. Pabilisan na ang laban ngayon. Go for natin! 97-53. De Guzman, harus by Vince. Pass to Haribas. Haribas now. Haribas. 5 seconds shot clock. For 3. Good na balbon. Nakuha ni Reyes. Pass to Vince. Vince, pass to Ochoa. 1 goal. By Haribas. Haribas pass to Xiang. Xiang now. Putik na wala. Ayun lang. Nawala na nga. Ochoa on the ball. Ochoa now. Pass to Dalmaso. Dalmaso pass to Ochoa. Ochoa to Marcelo. Marcelo, 40 seconds shot clock. Marcelo Mar. 1 goal. Follow shot clock by Doritan. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Xiang ang bola. Ayan na si Xiang. Xiang challenge Ochoa. Laysap. 1 goal. Doritan. Pass to Dalmaso. To Ochoa. Ochoa to Marcelo. Attempts for 3. 1 goal. Rebound by Kirus. Kirus now. Ayan na si Kirus. Lays up. 1 goal. Rebound by Doritan. Doritan to Marcelo. Marcelo now. And there's the whistle. Ball. Rebound by Haribas. Haribas back to Toraha. Toraha now. Toraha setting the play. Back to De Guzman. De Guzman drives in, nakalusot, lays up 2 points by De Guzman. 5 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Ang score pa natin, 39-53. 14 ang hinahabol. Ochoa, pass to Dalmasio, attempts for 3. Dalmasio, 3 points. Kiros, pass to De Guzman. De Guzman now, and there's no whistle. Power number, pass to Toraja. Toraja now, attempts for 3. Toraja, 3 points. Last 4 minutes remaining on the third quarter. Nakalahati na tayo sa third quarter. Ayan na si Dahan. Dahan, diniskarte, pinasa kay Miranda, pero nawala ang bola. Kaya siya... De Guzman now. De Guzman, rising. Kanino bola is Lentus ball. 4 minutes and... Dahan, pas to Marcelo. Marcelo now, back to Dahan. Dahan now. Back to Miranda. Miranda back to Dahan. Muntik mawala, nakuha pa rin si Marcelo. 10 seconds shot lang. Marcelo, back to Miranda. Miranda. 1 go. Rebound to by Toraja. Pass to Siam. Solo. 2 points to by Siam. Time out. Bell, pass to Dahan. Dahan now. Pass. 1 go. Rebounder by De Guzman. De Guzman. Ayan na si De Guzman. Derecho. Nagmamadali. Lays up. 1 go. Rebound siya. Ito sa whistle. Para. First throw siya. Pasok. Jumpers ready for the final throw. Jumpers ready. Talaga naman. Reyes out. Isa pa lang ang supply ni Siam sa free throw. Benz now. Setting the play. 15 seconds shot na. Benz. Stops and shoot. 2 points to the Benz. Pass to Arribas. Arribas to De Guzman. De Guzman. Pass to Espinelli. Espinelli sumagasa. Tumira. Malaki masyado. Pinasa kay Dahan. Dahan. Pass to Benz. Benz now. 3 minutes and 10 seconds remaining for the third quarter. Benz now. 15 seconds shot lang. Benz. Challenging siya. Ayun. Pero may pitot tayo. Planang foul on 40. Marcelo, pass to Dalmasio. Dalmasio, muntik mawala. 11 seconds shot lang. Substitution. Sino isasab nyo? Arribas out. Kiros coming in. 2 minutes and 54 seconds remaining. 11 seconds shot lang. Pinasa kay Dahan. Pass to Benz. 8 seconds shot lang. 5 seconds shot lang. Nakalusot. Lays up. 1 go. Rebound to Rahan. Pass to De Guzman. Ayan na si De Guzman. De Guzman. Challenge Benz. Pass to Rahan. Attempting. Back to De Guzman. De Guzman. Grabs it. And does no whistle. Parang 7 seconds remaining on the third quarter. First throw. Pasok. Jumpers ready on the final throw. Throw by De Guzman. One go. Rebound by Tulipan. Tulipan pass to Benz. Benz now. Benz now. Dribbling the ball. Setting the play. 2 minutes and 20 seconds remaining on the third quarter. 14 seconds shot left. Benz. Pass to Tulipan. There's no whistle. 5 remaining on the third quarter. 2 minuto, 12 segundo. First throw, Tulipan, 1 go. Jumpers ready for the final throw. Jumpers ready. Pasok. 1 point para kay Tulipan. dagdag kalamangan. Ang score pa natin, 47-59, 12 pa rin, De Guzman. Wala, rebound na Spinelli, jump shot, 2 points na Spinelli. 1 minute and 55 seconds remaining on the third quarter. Ang score pa natin, 49-59, 10 na lang ang kalamangan ng Lens 2, 10 ang kalamangan. 10 seconds shot clock. Pakto Marcelo, tutulipan. 2 points, tutulipan. 1 minute and 35 seconds remaining. Score, 49. 61. Kirus, nakalusot sa kanya pa rin. Wala. Rebound tulipan. Pakto Ben. Ayan na si Ben. Nagmamadali. Pinasa kayo doon sa whistle. Pasok pa rin, making it for 2 points by Marcelo. Kiros now. Relay pa to De Guzman. De Guzman, challenging tulipan. Attempt for 3. 1 go. Rebound Dalmaso. Pastupin. Ayan na naman si Ben. Nagmamadali. Pagpito na naman tayo. Kaninong kawal ulit? Numero 26. And that is De Guzman. Penalty situation. Pasok. Nakatanong lumuputos. Negosyo sa laro na yun. Ano yun? Jump ball ready. Pasok pa rin. 2 puntos ulit ang naitala ni Ben. 40 seconds remaining. Siyang now. Siyang galing enter sa whistle. First ball. First penalty situation. First round. Sumablay naman ngayon si Siyang. Jump ball ready for the final throw to the Siyang. Jump ball ready. 32 seconds remaining. 32 segundo na lang nalalabi. Pasok! Ang pangalawang bato. Hindi nawawag siya. Vance. Dribbling the ball. 25 seconds remaining. 14 seconds shot clock. Two points down. 10 seconds remaining. Giros, let's up the whistle. 7 seconds remaining. Who's the rep?
Water.
Tingnan natin kung makakatambak ang moldehan. Ochoa, pass to Vance. Vance now. Vance. Pinasa kay Kato. Kato sa magasa. 2 puntos ang naitala. Ang score, 53-73. Pero na ang kalamangan. Pero may pita tayo. Kaninong foul. Haribas. Looking for Zipper. Pass to Siyang. Siyang now. Harap by Ochoa. Siyang sa Sagasa. Pinasa. 8 seconds tayo. Shot lang. Mendoza, pass to Siyang. Siyang now, pass to Espinelli. Pinasa kay Mendoza. 10 seconds shot lang. Nawalang bola, nawabala yung Espinelli. 5 seconds shot lang. Hey, ito sa whistle. Parang. First go, 1 go. Jumpers ready for the final throw. Wala pa rin. Rebound Siyang. Siyang now. Siyang. Harap sa Bedal Maso. Pas na Espinelli. Attempts for 3. Espinelli. 3 points. Bench now. Dribbling the ball. Setting the play. Harap by Mendoza. Bench. Ayan na. Sasagasa na. Pinasa kay Ochoa. Wala. Rebounder by Kiros. Kiros now. Nagmamadali. Nakuha nito ng Reyes. Pinasa kay Ochoa. Ochoa sa bench. Back to Ochoa. Bukatu. Player by West. Lalim mo ang mga laban sa play ngayon. Ganda ng pasahan. Siyang free. One goal. It's less to 75. Last 8 minutes remaining on the last quarter. Bells now dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Ochoa. Nawala ng bola. Let's play ball. Mendoza now. Pass to Espinelli. Espinelli. Attempt for 3. Espinelli. Back to back ang Espinelli na yan. Bench, may pagsayawan, nakalusot, pinasa, intercepted tayo ribas, pero may pito tayo. Kaninong ball? Mendoza, pass to Sham. Sham now, 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Mendoza, attempts for 3. One goal, rebound to by Dahan. Dahan now, looking for Siwa, harap by Espinelli. And there's no whistle. Foul. Number 10, that is Kiros. Labas. Pinasa kay Benz sa loob. Ayan na naman si Benz. Benz now, hinahabol ni Kiros. Benz setting the play. 40 seconds shot clock. Benz, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Dahan now, driving in. One goal. Rebound ng Loy. Kato. Wala. Rebound ng by Sham. Sham now, natagaw sa bola. Nakuha ni Dahan sa may kilang. Malikot talaga si Dahan sa loob. Ayan na si Kiros. Nagmamadali. Tinto konti. Sham. Attempting. Driving in. Nakalusot sa may tira. Wala pa rin. Rebound to by Espinelli. Isa pa. Wala. Rebound to by Dahan. 6 minutes and 30 seconds remaining on the last quarter. Bench now. Dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Dahan. Dahan now. Lalapit konti. Pasukano. Wala. Rebound to by Dahan. Group pa rin yan. Pinasa kay Kato. Wala pa rin. Rebound to by Espinelli. Espinelli now. Espinelli nung marakasa. Wala. Rebound to by Benz. Benz now. Dribbling the ball. Ang score pa natin. 59-77. Benz and the season. 3 seconds remaining. 5 minutes and 53 seconds remaining. Kiros pass. Back to Sham. Attempts for 3. One goal. Rebound to by Kato. Kato now. Pinasa. Intercepted by Mendoza. Mendoza. Pinasa kay Espinelli. Nawala ang bola. Nakuha na Benz. Ayaw na si Benz. Hinay-hinay konti. Pass to Ochoa. Nawala. Sports ball. De Guzman on the ball. Setting the play. De Guzman. Pass to Sham. To Mendoza. Mendoza now. Looking for Silver. Driving in. And there's no whistle. It's a traveling violation. Wala. Ang score pa natin. 59-77 pa rin. Lamang pa rin ang Lens 2. 15 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. 5 minutes remaining. Pasok pa rin. Stop and shoot, sabi na nila. Lumo-lumo pa rin ang kalamangan ng Lens 2. 4 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Ang galing naman ng ginawa ni Sham. Sham pa rin, pero nakuha ni Marcelo. Marcelo, intercepted kay Espinelli. Espinelli now. Espinelli dribbling. Pass to De Guzman. 2 points by De Guzman. 4 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Benz now. Dribbling the ball. 15 seconds. And there's no whistle. Offensive foul. 4 minutes and 22 seconds remaining. De Guzman, pass to Sham. Sham now, pass to De Guzman. Back to Sham. Sham drives in, pass. One go. Rebound mo by Kiros. Kiros, tumalaksak, wala pa rin. Rebound mo by Guzman. Ito sa whistle. Balon. Paustos ang may talaga ni Guzman. And score. 63. 79. Tumira, wala. Rebound mo by Marcelo, wala pa rin. Ang panito lang ng bola. Pas to Marcelo. Wala. Rebound mo by Siam. Ayan na si Siam. Para na siya. Aatake. Ito sa whistle. Balon. Lugo mo si Boy. Pansa ng Siam. Nice play there by Ray. De Guzman now. Nakalusot, pero nawala. Kay Turahan naman ang bola. 3 minutes remaining. Turahan na wala ang bola. Balik sa Lenzo ang bola. Benz now. Pass to Doritan. Pass to Benz. Benz, hinahabol na De Guzman. Benz now. Pinasa kay Reyes. Reyes, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to Doritan. Doritan now. Pass to Dahan. 10 seconds shot clock. One go. Rebound to by Marcelo. Marcelo now. Nakuha ni De Guzman ang bola. De Guzman. Rumara na siya. Umaatake. Pinasa kay Malamanan. Wala ang bola. It's a loose ball. Ano yung score natin, kaibigan? Ha? 65-81 ang score natin. No whistle. Foul. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Benz, Pastor Reyes, binaling kay Benz, nakipaghabolan. 10 seconds shot clock. Pass for 3. One go. Rebound to by De Guzman. Ayan na si De Guzman. Nagmamadali. Last 2 minutes remaining. Last 2 minutes remaining. 2 minuto na lang. Dahil now, harap na by Kiros. Punti na agawan. Dahil sa whistle sa jambol. Benz, harap na by Siam. Benz, nakalusot. 9 seconds shot lang. 5 seconds shot lang. 2 points to by Mahal. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Pass first. Saktong-sakto kay Siam. Nawala pa rin ang bola. Nakuha ni Marcelo. 1 minute. Wala tayo lang. Diretso lang tayo. Sorry. Napindot lang. Nakulan lang yung ating kami. Doritan. 8 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. Isa pa. Wala. Rebound Doritan. Last 1 minute remaining. 9 seconds shot clock. Nakuha na Tura. Malakas pa rin. Tapusin na lang natin ito. ML na lang daw. 15 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds. 34 seconds remaining. Wala pa. 34 seconds remaining. 9 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. 5 for 3. Bench 3 points. 20 seconds. Shot. Wala. 14 seconds remaining. 10 seconds. 3 points to by Siam. 8 seconds remaining. 8 seconds. Tapusin na natin. Okay, congratulations.